What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today I have a flat tire, so let's see what's wrong with the tire and let's fix it. Alright guys, so one of my tires is losing air. It's this one. I already added a little bit of air, but this one is losing air. I don't know why. You can see there is a little bit low. So I'm gonna remove it and see where it's leaking air. Alright, first let's see how much air does it has. Well, it's on 28, but I already added air because it was all the way to the floor. The tire was like no air on this one. But let's see why this thing is leaking air. I hope it's just a nail, but hope it's nothing bad, so that I don't have to get a new tire. So let's see why it's leaking air. Let's quick look. Oh, right here, a nail. Right here is this is the reason. But let's see if there's no other thing. Let's check. Let's see. Yeah, it's only that one right here. Alright guys, that wasn't the problem there. Like you see, this one is very small, so it didn't go all the way in. So as you can see here, when I spray water and soap, nothing happens. So the next step is to spray water and soap on the whole tire and see where the leak is coming from. Alright guys, I found the problem. It's right here. It's leaking on the lip because I have stretched tires. This is a common problem. So I'm gonna go to the tire shop. They put like some kind of glue all around on the lip, and it will seal this. Okay, so I have to take it to the tire shop. So first I'm gonna put the stock rims on the front and take this to the tire shop. Let's do it. guys, we're going to go to the tire shop. So since I'm already telling them to fix my tires, you can see there the leak. I'm gonna tell them to fix. Well, this one is not leaking, but I should do it too, so it won't leak too. So I'm gonna tell them to seal both tires. Alright, so let's go to the tire shop. This is how it looks with the black wheels. Right there. Okay, this one is a little bit low because I haven't used this tire for a long time. So two tools that you must have always is this tire gauge. You always need this. You have to check the air of your tires at least once a week. And the other one is this air pump. This one is the one. I got this one from Walmart. It's 20 bucks. It's very good. So this one, you just connect this one here. Like this. Yeah, you twist until it's all the way in. All right. There, but I have to turn on the car. Okay, this one is very easy to use. You can use this trigger. Okay, turn it on first. So I got it on. So you can. That's the. It's on 26. You can set it up for, I always like it to put it on 35. You can do it like this, or if you press this button, it will do it automatically. All right, you see, at 35 it stops by itself. That's cool. Alright, so I'm gonna put the link of the description for this air pump and gauge. Okay, it's gonna be on the description of the video. You should get this. This is very important for emergencies. If you're on the freeway, you have a low tire, you can use this, and it's not that fast, but it helps a lot. Okay, now let's go to the tire shop. Alright guys, I need to get money first, so let's get the money and then go to the tire shop. I'm gonna get some cash back from Walmart because it's cheaper for me. Now we're ready, let's go and fix the tires at the tire shop. Alright, we're here at the tire shop. Let's see if they can fix it. You can see the leak, how they are leaking. Alright, now it's fixed. Okay, you can see it here. Well, they put like a black glue, it's hard to see it there. So now it's fixed. Alright guys, now the tires are fixed. It wasn't that cheap because they charge $15 per wheel, but I prefer to pay that so I don't have to buy new tires with this, because if I roll them without air, I can mess up the tires. Alright? Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think. If you're in this situation, remember to check with a tire gauge first and then water and soap to see if there's any air leak, and if it's a nail, take it to a tire shop and they will fix it for you. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like the video guys, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. Well, my MPG is this 28 right now because I've been using the sport mode a lot. But let me know what MPG do you have on your Corolla. Okay, mine, I have the exhaust system, the air intake, and I use it a lot on the sport mode. So, but let me know what's your MPG on your car. Let's do this. I love the sound of the car. I'm so happy. My tires are fixed.